Incentive Connection Travel. Incentive Connection Travel has been family-owned and operated since 1992 with unparalleled support 365 days a year. The goal at Incentive Connection Travel is to make agents successful by giving them all the tools they need to build a profitable travel business with no hidden or unnecessary costs. Our services include free 7-day-a-week contact with one of the family owners. A high commission split will allow you to effectively advertise to your clients with an end result of high profits for your travel business. ICT is a Travel Leaders President's Club member agency, which means we are a top agency with travel leaders with extra benefits to our agents. With Incentive Connection Travel, you are not in business by yourself, but in partnership with a family. The ICT family. Enjoy the benefits of being a travel agency owner while being a part of a network of successful independent business professionals. You're encouraged to communicate with our entire network, chat, email, Facebook, or by direct call. To learn more, go to www.ictravel.com today or contact Robert Simon by email at robert@ictravel.com or call 602-867-9606. We look forward to talking to you.